Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. It is sweet and flavorful, known for its vibrant orange color and smooth texture. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as persimmon, persimmon, par, si, mun, persimmon. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as persimmon, persimmon, per, si, mun, persimmon. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about persimmons, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.